when I had to replace the drain field when I bought this house 20 years ago, and all of a sudden we had a party and ended up with a full tank. So I was looking for a way of not having to redo my drain field. And so I went online and I looked up the different products, and I came up with the Septic Drainer and the Bioseptic Boost. And I watched a few videos on it and thought that would be the best solution to my drain field problem. Well, what I had done the last time, as I opened it up, I noticed that the drain field was kind of silted in. So I created my own little super shop vac to basically vacuum out the drain lines. Then I added the septic boost and put it in there, and when I ran out of product, I just didn't think about it for about 3 years because I didn't have a problem. And we had another get together, and all of a sudden I had a drain field problem, so I just called up and had another batch sent down. And all I can say is this septic drainer really works.